Guys, welcome back to Code Generator. Myself Kiranmai. In this video, we'll know how to find the factorial of the given number using the recursive method. So let's get started. So we will implement the code. So in C language, we'll start with the header file. Standard input output. So we'll write the function now. Like find factorial. We'll pass the value as integer. So next we'll write the main method. In main method, we'll initialize the numbers like number and fact. So next we'll printf like we are asking the user for the input to store it as a number. So we'll ask to enter the number. So enter the integer number. Next we'll read the number using the scanf. So now we are calling the user defined function like fact equal to find factorial. What is the function we have taken? So it will pass a number in that. So next, displaying the factorial of input number. That means we are printing the value, which is a factorial. Now we'll take it as return 0. So now int find factorial of n. So now if n value equal to 0, so we don't have the factorial for the 0 value, that means 1. So we'll return 1. Now finally we'll perform the factorial, how to find the factorial, that is n into, that means what the number we are taking, function of find factorial of, that is n minus 1. Suppose we have taken the value as 2, so that is 2 minus 1, that means 2 into 1, that is factorial. So to get the 2 into 1, suppose we'll take it as 3, that is n equal to 3, so that 3 into function of 3 minus 1, that is 2. Again it will check the condition. Again 2 is not equal to 0. So again we will perform the function. Now 3 into 2 into 1. Now again it will check the function. So 1 is not equal to 0. So again it will perform. When it becomes a 0, then it will return the 1. Right? So implementation has been completed. So let's check. It is going to work or not. So we have got an error. So we have written here as print. It should print. Let's check the others of the line 5. Still we are getting an error, so let's check the code. We are opening the bracket here. So right, we have taken a flower bracket here, so that's why we are getting an error. Now let's run it. So we have got, let's take it as 5. That is 120. So again we'll check with another number. Let's take 3. So factorial of 3 is 6, that is 3 into 2 into 1. So thank you so much guys for watching this video.